Yo everyone, my name is Sidney F.C.R. and welcome to another review video. In this video of today we're gonna take a closer look on the Germany home jersey for this World Cup 2022. It is customized with Kimmich number 6 as well as the World Cup patches of Qatar 2022. It's the Adidas player version bought from Kkgoolc.com. Check the link in the description down below to find out who that seller is. Also, before we check this one out, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to not miss any review video. So now, let's check this one out. Germany Deutschland home jersey for this World Cup. Let me know what you guys think. I like this one. I really like the center-based Adidas logo and the crest of Deutschland. It's really amazing. In the next video I'll show you how this jersey fits me. Once again, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.